For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is Sitendra Soneji signing in again for new knowledge sharing. Today we are going to talk about how to leave your comfort zone and enter your growth zone. As per Newton's first law, a stationary object will remain so unless and until a force acts on it. A positive philosophy, the same applies. While the comfort zone is a safe place to be, real growth, behavioral change and goal achievement mean leaving the comfort zone. Life is full of opportunities to step outside the comfort zone, but grabbing hold of them can be difficult. So, when leaving the comfort zone, fear doesn't always equate to being in the panic zone. So, we have a journey of our life from comfort zone to the growth zone. So, there are totally 4 zones which we have to cover. One, that is comfort zone. Second is the fear zone. Third is the learning zone. Fourth is the growth zone. So, our journey starts from the comfort zone. So, whenever you are in the comfort zone, you feel safe and in control, right, because you are already there in the comfort zone and you are been doing the things on a regular basis. So, you feel safe and in control. So, once you come out of the comfort zone, so you enter the fear zone. So, in the fear zone, so you are affected by others' opinion, find excuses, lack of self control. So, when you come out from this fear zone, when you come out from the other people's opinion, once you stop excusing yourself and developing self confidence, so that means you are entering into a learning zone. Whenever you are in a learning zone, so you deal with challenges and problems, acquire new skills, extend the comfort zone. So, now once we are in the learning zone, we are learning new things, we are learning to deal with our challenges, we are learning to deal with our problems. So, we are acquiring some new knowledge, we are acquiring some new skills and we are expanding our comfort zone. And once we expand our comfort zone, so where we are going, where we are entering to, then we are entering to into a growth zone. So, once we are into the growth zone, so we find the purpose of our life. So, we find a purpose of our life. So, live your dreams, set new goals, realize aspirations. So, it takes courage to step from the comfort zone into the fear zone without a clear road map. There is no way to build on previous experiences. This can be anxiety provoking, that is very much irritating, yet persevere long enough and you enter the learning zone, where you gain new skills and deal with challenges resourcefully. You can only solve the problem when you learn something new, because knowledge is power. You have to gain a knowledge to deal with daily challenges. After a learning period, a new comfort zone is created, expanding one's ability to reach even greater heights. So, this is what it means to be in the growth zone. It is important to state that, like most behavioral change attempts moving into the growth zone, becomes harder. Without some level of self-awareness, of course, self-awareness is required. So, you have to know yourself first, right. So, thus it can be beneficial for you to consider the following. How big are your zones? Because as I said, there are 4 zones. Once the first zone is the comfort zone where we are right now. Once we leave that comfort zone, then we enter to the fear zone, then we enter to the learning zone, then we enter to the growth zone. Now, how big are your zones? So, what are your strengths, right? Now, ask these questions to yourself. So, this includes seeing yourself as inherently adaptable, reframing stress and believing in your ability to ensure fears and doubts. So, do not ever have a fear in your mind, and do not ever doubt yourself. Do not doubt your skills, do not doubt your abilities, do not doubt your knowledge, do not doubt yourself. Never ever doubt yourself. Start believing in yourself. Once you start believing in your abilities, once you start believing in your capabilities, so definitely you are growing, and you have to grow. So, this is the journey from comfort zone to the growth zone. So, you have to cross all the zones to become a successful person in the life. So, wishing you a good, happy, success life in future. Thank you very much.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.